Hi, this is Sankar Sharma. In this video, I want to talk about Humana. Let's go to the chart and discuss. This is the chart of Humana. It's a daily chart. If you notice, Humana had been in a bearish zone for quite some time when we had the double top right here. And then we had bad earnings around July 31st of this year. And then we had a second warning when the price went below the cloud. So if you want to learn about cloud or candlesticks, I'll leave resource below this video in the description. Based on the cloud model, it's been bearish ever since, even more bearish since this double top there. Now, if you look at it, this should not be a surprise to anyone. Yes, there are some people getting into Humana on the short term because they're probably expecting a bounce back to one of these two levels. And I would not consider Humana until it stabilizes for 2-3 months. My preferred entry would be around 160, and I'm going to not going to chase this at this price. It's my personal opinion. It's not a buy or sell recommendation. You have to make your own decision based on analysis. Hopefully you like this. Leave a positive comment, follow, and subscribe so that you can get my next analysis really quickly as soon as it comes out. Thank you for the privilege of your time. See you in the next video. This is Sankar Sharma signing off. Bye for now.